Hi guys, as you can see we have a bobber on the end of here. It's a very, very small bobber, and you may notice that we have an Herstal Scar-L Airsoft version and clip. So we're going to see what we can do to this bad boy. I just actually am doing this just to see what it does really. Here, we'll see what I do. Did I crack it or anything? Okay, so we got a little dent in there, as you see that. So I'll put it closer this time. You're actually resting on a tank right now. I'll show you in a sec. Put that real close. Okay, we're gonna see what that did. Hopefully something. Okay, I don't know where the bobber went, so I'm gonna call it a day there. So, oh yeah, you guys want to see the tank? Here's the tank right there. Pretty nice tank. But sorry, Herstal for you. Scar-L.